everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TNV Academy. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals represent one of the most ambitious global commitments ever made. They promise a world without poverty, with good health, gender equality, climate action, and strong institutions by 2030. While the vision is inspiring, the real challenge lies in execution. As years pass, progress across countries remains uneven, leading to a critical and often ignored question. Are SDGs achievable in reality? And can they truly be achieved without ISO standards? This question is not about ideology, but about implementation, accountability, and measurable outcomes. Now let's discuss about SDGs, goals without operational systems. SDGs are designed as high-level global objectives. They clearly define what humanity wants to achieve, but intentionally avoid prescribing how organizations and governments should achieve these goals. This flexibility allows countries to adapt SDGs to their own context, but it also creates serious implementation gaps. Without structured systems, common metrics, and shared processes, SDGs often remain policy statements rather than operational realities. Vision without structure risks becoming ambition without impact. Now, what ISO really represents in the global system? ISO, the International Organization for Standardization, develops internationally agreed standards that help organizations manage quality, environment, safety, security, and ethics or risk. ISO standards do not dictate political agendas or social values. Instead, they provide management frameworks that ensure consistency, accountability, and continual improvement. ISO translates principles into processes, intentions into controls, and commitments into evidence. This makes ISO uniquely suited to support SDG implementation. Now, vision versus execution, where SDGs need ISO. SDGs answer the question, what kind of world do we want? And ISO answers, how do we manage organizations and systems to achieve it? Without ISO, SDGs rely heavily on voluntary actions, political will, and self-reported progress. These elements are important but unreliable at scale. Sustainable development requires repeatable systems that function regardless of leadership changes or economic cycles. ISO provides that stability. Now, what happens when SDGs are pursued without ISO? When SDGs are implemented without ISO-based management systems, outcomes often become inconsistent and difficult to measure. Organizations interpret sustainability differently, leading to fragmented efforts. Monitoring becomes subjective, accountability weakens, and responsibility becomes unclear. In many cases, SDGs turn into branding exercises rather than genuine transformation. Without systems, there is no ownership, and without ownership, there is no sustained progress. Now, greenwashing, a major risk without ISO standards. One of the biggest dangers of pursuing SDGs without ISO is greenwashing. Organizations may claim alignment with SDGs without having real environmental, ethical, or safety controls in place. Without ISO 14001, environmental responsibility remains unverified. Without ISO 37001, anti-corruption efforts lack enforcement. And without ISO 45001, worker safety commitments remain theoretical. ISO introduces auditability, documentation, and corrective action, making sustainability claims credible and verifiable. SDG 3 without ISO. Health systems under pressure. SDG 3 focuses on good health and well-being, but without ISO standards such as ISO 9001, ISO 13485, ISO 45001, and ISO 22301. Healthcare systems struggle with quality variation, patient safety risk, and crisis preparedness failures. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted this gap clearly. Healthcare systems with standardized processes, risk management, and continuity planning responded faster and more effectively. ISO does not replace medical expertise. It strengthens the system that supports it. SDG 13 without ISO. Climate action without measurement. Climate action is impossible without measurement and control. Without ISO standards such as ISO 14064 for greenhouse gas accounting, ISO 14067 for carbon footprinting, and ISO 50001 for energy management, climate commitments remain vague and unverified. You cannot manage what you cannot measure. ISO provides the technical and managerial discipline needed to turn climate promises into measurable reductions. SDG 16 without ISO. Weak institutions and fragile governance. SDG 16 aims to build peaceful, just, and strong institutions. However, without ISO standards like ISO 37001 anti-bribery, ISO 37301 compliance management, and ISO 37002 whistleblowing, institutions rely mainly on ethical declarations rather than enforceable systems. ISO converts values into procedures, ensuring transparency, reporting mechanisms, investigations, and continual improvement. Strong institutions are built on systems, not personalities. ISO as the operational engine of SDGs. ISO standards introduce core management principles such as the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle, risk-based thinking, defined responsibilities, performance indicators, internal audits, and corrective actions. These elements are essential for long-term improvement and accountability. SDGs provide direction, but ISO provides the engine that drives progress forward in a controlled and measurable way. Government implementation. Why policy alone is not enough? Governments play a central role in SDG achievement, but policies alone do not deliver results. Implementation happens through public hospitals, utilities, infrastructure projects, and service providers. Without ISO-based systems, public programs often suffer from inefficiency, corruption, and inconsistent service quality. Many governments already rely on ISO frameworks in areas such as laboratories, energy management, transport safety, and water systems because they understand that governance requires systems, not just laws. Corporate contribution from CSR to core strategy. Businesses are major contributors to SDG progress. However, without ISO standards, sustainability initiatives often remain limited to corporate social responsibility programs. ISO standards embed sustainability into everyday business operations, covering procurement, production, employee safety, energy use, data security, and ethics. This integration transforms SDGs from side projects into core organizational objectives. Now, small and medium enterprises. ISO as a practical guide. Small and medium enterprises are often excluded from SDG discussions due to perceived complexity. In reality, ISO standards provide SMEs with clear, structured, and scalable frameworks to contribute meaningfully to sustainability. Without ISO, SMEs struggle to link daily operations to global goals. With ISO, sustainability becomes manageable and practical. Audits and evidence, turning claims into credibility. SDGs do not have a mandatory global audit mechanism. ISO standards do. Audits create evidence, accountability, transparency, and improvement. Without audits, SDG reporting risks becoming narrative-driven rather than data-driven. ISO audits ensure that sustainability claims are supported by documented practices and measurable results. ISO and SDGs, complementary, not competing. ISO was never designed to replace the SDGs. Instead, ISO complements SDGs by providing the management discipline required to achieve them. SDGs define the destination. ISO defines the route. Together, they create a complete framework for sustainable development that is both visionary and practical. Now, the 2030 reality check. As the 2030 deadline approaches, it is clear that countries and organizations relying solely on SDG commitments are falling behind. Those integrating ISO standards into governance, healthcare, energy, safety, security, and ethics are making faster, more consistent, and more credible progress. The evidence is increasingly difficult to ignore. And then we have the final answer. Are SDGs achievable without ISO? In theory, SDGs can be pursued without ISO. In practice, achieving them at scale without a standardized system is extremely unlikely. SDGs without ISO remain aspirations. SDGs with ISO become structured, measurable, and sustainable realities. From global dreams to global discipline, the SDGs offer humanity a shared dream of a better future. ISO standards provide the discipline needed to turn that dream into reality. Vision inspires action, but systems sustain it. If the world is serious about achieving the SDGs, ISO standards are not optional tools. They are essential infrastructure for sustainable development. That is all about today's session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV Academy for more such ISO insights and also about the Sustainable Development Goals.